introduction part. In computer programming and digital system, this experiment aims to find the largest of three numbers using comparison and conditional branching in 1885 microprocessor. By comparing numbers stored in specific memory location, the program uses the accumulator and flag register to make decisions. The largest number is identified step by step and stored in the result memory location. This experiment helps to understand data comparison, decision making, and flag based control logic in assembly language. Next, objectives. The main objectives of this experiment are: first, to learn the method of comparing numerical data in assembly language and to understand how the accumulator and flag register work during comparisons, and to write a program that finds the largest of three numbers stored in consecutive memory locations, and to analyze logic flow of comparison and decision making in the CPU, and to use conditional branching instruction effectively. Next, problem statement. This comparison should be performed using conditional branching and flag based logic like carry and zero flag of the 1851 microcontroller. The algorithm must ensure accurate decision making without overwriting the input data. Like accumulator instructions, decision making using flags, comparison instruction, data transfer between register and memory. Thank you.
My name is Purnima. I am explaining about implementation. First, start the program. Load the first number from 7AH into accumulator CA. Load the second number from 7BH into register B. Compare A and B using CMB. If A less than B, move into A. Load the third number from 7CH into register C. Compare A and C using CMPC. If A lesser than C, move C into ACA. Now holds the of all three. Store A into 7DH, then stop the program. Code. First, start the address. Move A7AH. Load first number into accumulator. Move B7BH. Load second number into register B. Fourth, compare A and B. A is equal to B. Skip A not equal to B. Go to the next. JCL2. If A less than B, jump into L2. L2, move A comma B. Store the larger value of the first two in A. Move B comma 7CH. Load third number CANE A comma B comma L3. Compare A with the third number JCL4. If A less than B, jump to L4. L4, move A comma B. Update A with a largest value. Move 7DH. A, store the largest number at memory 7DH. Here stop endless loop. Output 8051 simulator. The memory location show the three input numbers and final result. Memory value 7AH is equal to 10, 7BH is equal to 20, 7CH is equal to 30. This is the final result, largest number. Register A is equal to 30, B is equal to 30 means the accumulator is holding the largest value found after all comparison.
My name is Shubha. I am explaining about a flow diagram. First, start and load number 17AH. Compare with the number 2. Then keep the larger in A. Compare A with number 3 7CH. Keep the larger in A. Store A, that is 7DH. Then stop. And next I am explaining about accumulator logic, that is flat decision. The accumulator A holds temporary data for comparison. The compares CMP instruction set flags, carry flag set if A is less than compared number, zero flag, that is set if A is a trumped number. Based on these flags, the program decides whether to keep or replace A's value. This helps find the largest number efficiently. Thank you. Conclusion in summary, the 8051 assembly program successfully determines the largest of three numbers stored in memory. The program demonstrated data transfer, comparison, and conditional branching effectively. The CJNE and JC instructions are T implementing comparison logic using flags. Then T learnings are efficient use of register, that is A and B, for comparison and storage. Understanding how carry and zero flags help in decision making. Logical program structuring using the conditional jumps, using television to stimulate and verify program correctness, or we can also use microcontroller. Future stop or extend program for larger data sets using loops and arrays. Automate input or output through input or output ports or sensors. Optimize for speed by minimizing instruction cycle. Integrate with the display units to show the largest number in real time. Thank you.
My name is Neha. I am going to explain the conclusion of this project. This experiment demonstrates how the conditional branching and flag logic can be used to make decision in an assembler language. That accumulator acts as the control processing register while the flag bytes guide the program flow. The approaches can be extended for large dataset or real-time reading, such as identifying the highest temperature or voltage among the multiple seasons. The using the accumulator, the flag register demonstrate how the decision making and logic control helps in the understanding the working of the compression. Branching and flag operation is a multiprocessing in this project. Thank you.